Do sponges have nervous, circulatory, and excretory systems? Well, I don't know. That's kind of confusing. What, isn't a sponge the thing that I use to wash the dishes? Ha ha ha. Funny joke. No, that's not at all the type of sponge that we're talking about. They're actually these special type of invertebrates that are so basic you can't really even tell that they're animals. They're part of their own phylum called Porifera, which has all the simplest creatures of the animal kingdom. And also, fun fact about sponges is they can't move by themselves. They're also attached to the ground, but they do have two things going for them, and that's their central cavity and their porous walls, which are super important. But do they have those systems? The short answer and the only answer is no. But they do have some other stuff, I promise you. They have a water flow system that is very, very, very beneficial, and I'll tell you how it works. So basically, water gets sucked in through the holes in the pores, which the pores are just holes on the side of the sponge. The water moves throughout the sponge, and then tiny food particles are filtered out. Then the water gets pushed out of the sponge through a hole called the osculum, and that's basically your entire sponge mechanic. So essentially, to maintain oxygen, remove waste, and to get food, you have to suck the water in, filter out the food, and send the water out. They don't have a nervous system also, by the way, just because their way of life does not really require for one. Here are my resources, and thanks for listening.